Oh, my eye. Oy. Stop! He caught me some fine shit. Should I get gas? I have 109 miles though. Hey, that's not nice. Just because you got a girlfriend doesn't mean you could be mean to me. I was still your first love. So I'm not fucking special to you. Fuck you. You don't love me. He never loved me. I got so many bug bites, bruh. Ouch. You cut me some fine. Ouch. Oh. Wow. Please come again. No, fuck you. Let's go. Wait, you got a new helmet? Oh yeah. Why do we always do this? So we instead go on the pedestrian sidewalk. Oh my god, I almost died. My bike went up in the air. What the f***? My tire's flat. Bro, I'm taking beach nut. Bro. Hello? Bro, I think my tire is flat. My bike went up in the air.
Wait, did you hit that concrete thing?
Yeah, I did. Like, bike flew up.
I take that to work every single day, which is why I know about it.
Bro, like my bike flew up in the air.
Turn around. Are you at the gas station?
I'm like near there. No, you keep going. My bike's fine. I thought I was tripping. But bro, I bounced up in the air, death wobble, and I controlled it.
Yeah.
That was terrifying. You know I'm a safe driver. Oh, fuck. Bro, it bent my rim.
Your rim is bent?
Yeah.
Like how bad?
Not that bad. But like bad.
Oh, you'll be fine. Wait, so you want to meet at Taco Tuesday then, or do you want me to pull over?
No. You go to Taco Tuesday, I'll come.
You better come. I literally just pulled over and got back on.
No. You keep going, I'll come.
I'm going slow. Catch back up.
Okay. I'm pulled over right now. I'm like looking at the bike.
I mean, you might have just knocked some air out of the tire because you hit so hard, so maybe you just need to air it back up.
Maybe. No, I still have air in the tire. It's just the rim's so fucking bent. Holy f. Alright, you keep going. I'll meet you there, okay? Okay?
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Hey, bro. You can see the impact zone too, bro. Damn. How do you even get this fixed? I mean, there's nothing I can do now, but that's... Damn, bro. Alright. Why the f is that shit the air though? Like, why wouldn't they clean that shit up? That's so annoying. And that is done.
Hey, I'm over here.
Where? I don't see you. Bro, I'm actually like traumatized from that.
Dude, the cops were fucking hot smash. As soon as I got here, somebody ran the U-turn, did a wheelie, the cops ran right after it.
Oh, but I was coming here.
But I'm over there by the Ducati and the CF Moto.
Oh, you're up there?
Over there.
Okay. Alright, I'll park there. Brother. Bro, look, come look at this shit. Hey! Come look at this. Hold up. Look, come here. Hey! Mr. Loverboy. Look at this shit, bruh.
That's not that bad.
That's terrible.
Not that bad.
My baby.
Like an inch there.
That's so bad, bruh. My shit was spotless, bruh.
Ducati's nice.
God, he is nice.
Yeah.